What's up, guys? Jensen here, Lucky Catch TV, and today I'm just gonna do a quick video. Just got my first mystery tackle box in, so we're just gonna unbox that and see what's in there. There it is, just like that. So they're doing the breast cancer, huh? Good old October. Let's open that up. Let's get that out of the way. That spoils all the fun. And the first thing I see is a nice looking little crankbait. So that's a Skinny Bear. Skinny Bear Speedy 2.25. Nice, like, shad colored crankbait. So that should be fun to throw. I don't throw enough crankbaits, so that should be fun to play with. And so nice looking crankbait. Second thing, some soft plastics. What do we got here? Biospawn Plasma Tail. Alright, so some little drop shot kind of worms. Drop shot, shaky head, jig head, Texas rig. So we got a narrow tail section for enhanced action. 2-color plasma tip to attract finicky fish. So as you can see, it gets a little skinnier there. Should make for some good action. So that's pretty cool. I don't throw drop shot too often, but maybe I will with these. And you know, that's what's cool about this. That's what I was excited about with this box. You know, doing fishing techniques that I usually don't fish. Try something different, you know, mix it up a little bit, keep it fresh. So the next thing up is some type of topwater bait. Baker Lures LED series. LED. Does it have a light in there? So it's kind of a froggy, lizard looking topwater bait. The Baker LED series is an outstanding topwater bait that swims a perfect Z retrieval path. Cool. It's got a little rattle. It's pretty big. It's a decent size. So yeah, it's a decent size, so we'll see how that does. Well, like I said, it's always cool to have something new, so you're not throwing the same old baits at the same old places. Alright, what's next? Some more soft plastics. What are... Oh, these are like little tubes, huh? That's what it looks like. Some type of little tube bait. Now, I have never ever thrown these. Never fished with these at all, so that'll be something nice and different. Big Bites Baits Pro Series, designed to bring the big bite to your line. Fortified with bite juice. That bite juice ought to get them going. I don't even know how to throw these, like, or how to rig them. But I'll find out. But they're kind of like a green pumpkin kind of color. Dark green with some gold flake. Black and gold flake in there. Well, that's pretty cool. Alright, so what's next? Oh, we got a nice little sticker, huh? Nice reflective sticker. I'll put that on my truck. That's pretty cool. And last but not least, we got some drop shot hooks, huh? So we got these hooks here. Drop shot rockin'. So that's pretty cool. That'll make it easier to use those drop shot worms. All right, and here's the little card. What's inside? The Skinny Bear Speedo 2.5. That's that little crankbait. Top water bait, Barker lure, $6.99. Oh, the little crankbait is $11.99, huh? Which is this guy? Snake, lizard, frog thing. We got the Plasma Tail Biospawn, $2.75. A salt tube, $2.20, and Jimmy Houston's Drop Shot Rockin' Hook. They also include this little magazine, Dibble Digest. All right, folks, so that'll about wrap it up. Mystery Tackle Box. I'd say it's definitely worth the first month, $4.99. I mean, I got a bunch of cool baits there to play around with for $5. Yeah, so I'll probably keep it for a couple more months and see if it ends up being worth it. It should be. And it's always cool to have different stuff to throw. But anyways, thanks for watching. You guys take it easy.